Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been playing VRchat recently and suddenly ran into that frustrating too many avatars error, don't worry, you're definitely not alone. Today, I'm breaking down exactly what causes it and how to fix it fast so you can jump back into worlds without lag, crashes, or memory overload. Stick with me because each step builds on the next, and by the end, your game will run smoother than ever. First, let's quickly talk about why this error even happens. The message pops up when VRChat tries to load more avatars than your system's RAM or VRM can handle. Some avatars are poorly optimized, oversized, or extremely detailed. And when too many load at once, your performance tanks, so the trick is not just reducing avatars, but reducing the right ones. Now let's go into the actual fix. Start by opening VRChat, Settings, Avatars. This menu is where most of the magic happens. The first thing you'll want to do is block poorly optimized avatars. Turn this option on. This stops your system from loading avatars that consume excessive memory and instantly reduces the chances of the error appearing. Next, lower the maximum avatar download size. Set it to something reasonable so the game doesn't try to load massive files. After that, reduce the maximum uncompressed size. This prevents huge texture packs from loading all at once. Now, one of the most effective features, avatar culling. Make sure it's enabled. This hides avatars that are far away, usually beyond 30 to 50 meters. It's an easy way to shrink the number of avatars your system has to actively render. While you're here, adjust maximum shown avatars. Don't leave it at all. Drop it to around 20 to 30 avatars. This keeps things visually consistent while dramatically lowering VRM usage. Especially in crowded worlds, this change alone can prevent crashes. If you still see issues or want even smoother performance, head to Settings, Graphics, lower your shadow quality, reduce extra visual effects, and keep things on low or medium. And here's a big one. Cap your frame rate, ideally around 60 FPS. This reduces GPU load and helps VRChat stay stable during heavy avatar rendering. And that's it. With these settings in place, the too many avatars error should disappear and VRChat will run way smoother, especially in busy lobbies and events. If this helped you out, make sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe for more VRChat and PC optimization guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.